Hello and welcome back to Cognex Inside Vision Suite training. Now I want to introduce you to InspectEdge tool. Therefore, we again need the board pictures. So please make sure that you have it. And then I already trained the pattern and found it. And now I start with Vision Tools, InspectEdge, and then click on InspectEdge. You'll get this window here. Picture, again, fixed point and search area. For the search area, we want to define this edge. The yellow line should be on our edge, and the red part here should be around it. So this will be our inspect area. Okay. Then I can define the calipers. Calipers, choosing pixel, how big they are and how often they occur. So I choose here 1, 1, and for the width of the edge, I choose 2. This is again trial and error. So these settings work best for my application. For other applications, you always have to try it, how you get the best results. After you click OK, you should get here a number of caliper. Yeah, and then the second part of it, you click on InspectEdgeForDefect. Then you get this window here. Okay, so there is a few settings you have to make. First of all, InspectEdge is the cell where we have our InspectEdge function inside. So in my case, it's A13. Now this we can leave. Then which direction we want to search, from right to left. So I search from right to left, and I want to search from white to black. So in this direction, because here my white area is cleaner than my black area. Then the quality of the edge, then the strongest edge, the first strongest edge. So this is all settings, you have to just know it or try it. And then there is settings for the mistakes, for the failures, how big they have to be, what is the distance of pixels. I said distance of 2. Okay, with a distance of 2 pixels, I say it's a mistake, or detect the failure of the edge. And then you have define the area. I say 30 pixels. Everything over 30 pixels is, for me, a failure. And then I have the gaps also activated. I say everything above 5 pixels. When there is a gap of my edge above 5 pixels, it will be a gap, defined as a gap. Yeah, that's basically it. There is a lot of settings. You always have to adjust it by your own. There is no settings which work every time, and this is really trial and error. With these settings, I get this output here. So for good edges, you always have here the sum is 0, my failures are 0, and my gaps are 0. And here you get a lot of errors always. So my good parts look good so far. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, let's look at my bad parts. bad part with bad edge should be bad E. So if I go on it, I see it already here. I detected this failure of the edge and this failure of the edge and also gap here. So it's good detected. I get here my output for E1. For E1, I also get failures and gaps as my edge is not correct. So let's look at the others. This is correct. This is correct again. This is correct. 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 And A2 should be not correct. Here we are not even on the edge anymore, but I detect gaps. And for A1, let's see, I detect also gaps here. So I get no failures because I can even, there is no edge to detect failures, but I get gaps, you know. So that's how I detect it. But for this picture, I don't have to use the edge InspectEdge tool anymore because I already detected it because the distance of this segment here and here was not correct. So mostly for this picture, I have to use this edge find InspectEdge tool and it works. You see, it works. That was it. And thank you and goodbye.